How to regenerate thumbnails on WordPress. When you add images to WordPress, WordPress automatically resizes your uploads into different sizes according to your theme and media settings. If you change themes or edit your thumbnail settings, this can cause a problem, where all of your existing images still use the old sizes. Learning how to regenerate WordPress images lets you fix that problem by automatically applying the new image sizes to all of your existing photos. In this video, you'll learn how to regenerate WordPress thumbnails using a free plugin easily. So, first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp-admin. Log in with your username and password. On the administration panel, go with the mouse over Plugins and then click Add New. On the search from the right, write Regenerate Thumbnails. When you find the plugin Regenerate Thumbnails, click on Install Now. Click Activate. You have installed this plugin. Go with the mouse over Tools and click on Regenerate Thumbnails. Here, you can regenerate all thumbnails for attachment or featured images. I suggest to regenerate for all. Also, you can skip the regenerate for existing correctly sized if you want. After that, click on one of these options. You will need to keep this window open until all thumbnails are generated. After the regeneration is done, you will receive a message that it is all complete. This is how you regenerate all your thumbnails on the WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.